Welcome to the Choice Challenge. Will you earn the legendary Book of Wise Choices? Every spell and step depends on your choices. Choose wisely or face immediate trouble. We are ready. Together, we can handle any magical puzzle you give us. Here is your first test. How will you clear the enchanted forest path? Hey boy, use the fire spell. It is super fast and requires zero hard work. Burning them is way faster. Oh no, the fire is spreading everywhere out of control. Fast shortcuts cause big damage, Finn. Let us use patience and care to open the path safely. Look, a magical broom. Only one person can fly across easily right now.
I don't know, it looks unstable. Are you sure that's safe?
I am taking the broom to win first.
Ah!
Wait, the bridge behind me is collapsing.
Ah!
Leaving a friend behind is wrong. Hop on, Nia. We do this together as a team.
Okay.
Who dares disturb my rest? We just wanted to see what's in the chest. We meant no harm, Guardian. No way.
Huh.
That little magic bird over there broke the mirror, not me. There.
No!
Frau, get off me.
No!
Stop.
Look at it float. It's so peaceful.
It's beautiful. I've never seen anything like it. Wake up right now.
What? What?
We are in a hurry and need a bridge immediately. How extremely rude. You get wet feet and mud for treating others without respect. Good day, dear spirit. Could you please help us cross your beautiful river when you are ready? Courtesy and respect open every door. Cross safely, polite young heroes. Plot twist. I am your dark reflection, and I challenge you to a duel of magic. Your anger only makes me stronger. Keep fighting, and I will destroy this castle. Anger will not fix this. I choose peace and understanding instead of fighting. A golden apple of energy sits on the high branch. Only one remains.
We'll need to work together to get it.
I am starving from all this walking. I need this magic apple for my own strength. Yuck! Greed turns sweet things sour immediately. That tasted terrible. Here, little friend. Sharing our food brings joy to everyone and doubles our energy. The shadowy path is super quick, but the long path requires careful reading of signs.
We should trust the signs.
This path is safer, look. Who cares about reading signs? I am running down the dark tunnel to save time. Help! Reckless speed without listening to instructions leads straight into a sticky trap. Listening to instructions keeps us safe, Finn. Let me pull you out of that sticky trap.
Keep going, you're almost out.
Solve the spinning rune puzzle to unlock the door, or force it open with magic. This puzzle is taking too long. I am just going to kick it open right now. Impatience brings pain. Brute force will never solve a smart challenge. Patience and calm thinking always beat angry frustration.
Look, the door is open now.
I am the guard of honor. Only those who accept their mistakes may pass through.
It was not my fault we got delayed.
Nia was walking too slowly behind me. I was wrong. I made a mistake by rushing ahead, and I am truly sorry, Nia.
I know you didn't mean any harm.
dragon!
It's coming for us. I can defeat this big dragon all on my own. Watch me be the ultimate hero.
Please stop! It's too dangerous! Come back!
Pride comes before a fall. Going solo against big obstacles always fails. Nia, protect my left side. Together, we use light magic on count of 3. 1, 2, 3. You have limited magic energy left. Save the small fairy, or take the chest of gold coins. Gold coins will let us buy cool gear later. The fairy can wait a little bit. Prioritizing wealth over helping others leaves your hands full of heavy, worthless stone. Helping a creature in need is always more important than collecting shiny treasure. To cross the sky bridge, you must place your heaviest magic items on the floating scales. I am keeping my cool wand safe in my pocket. This tiny rock should be enough weight. Holding back your responsibility causes instability for everyone. You must give your full effort.
I give my complete commitment and trust.
Let us do our full duty together. Look, the dark creature dropped its navigation map. Should we keep it or return it? Finders keepers. This map belongs to us now, even if somebody else lost it. Taking what is not yours creates confusion. Honesty keeps your vision clear and bright.
Excuse me. You dropped your map back there.
Here it is, safe and sound. One potion gives instant strength for 5 minutes. The other potion requires steady study and practice. Easy power is the best power. I do not want to waste time studying books. Squeak! Quick magic fixes have terrible side effects. I am as small as a mouse now. Real skill takes time and study to master. Shortcuts lead straight to small results. Plot twist. The wizard castle is losing its core light energy, and only pure heart can restore it. I am too scared to move. The darkness is too big and scary for us to beat. True courage is not never feeling scared. It is stepping forward even when you are afraid.
Lockdown.
Clean up the messy library pages to unlock the secret door to the final chamber. Hiding the mess under the rug is way faster than filing all these pages properly. Hiding your chores creates bigger chaos later. Doing a job halfway is doing it wrong. Let us take responsibility and organize every page properly.
Doing it right brings real order.
To open the final door, you must forgive the goblin who tricked you in the forest earlier. No way! You tricked us into the thorn bushes earlier. I will never forgive you for that. Grudges and anger lock the door to success. Forgiveness is the only key to move forward. Everyone makes mistakes. I forgive you for the thorn trick, little goblin. Let us be friends.
Friends.
You have overcome every test of character. Step forward to receive your final reward. Final challenge. Will you keep the legendary Book of Wise Choices only for yourselves, or share its wisdom? We could keep all this magic power for ourselves, but that would be selfish and wrong. We choose to share the Book of Wise Choices with the whole world.
So everyone can learn to make the best decisions.
You have proven true courage, honesty, kindness, and teamwork. You are true wise wizards now.
Thank you, Master. We're so happy.
We did it. Remember, everyone, every choice you make creates your world.
Choose wisely every single day.